In this video, I'm going to give you the best TikTok ad strategy you need to be using right now to get the best possible results for your Shopify dropshipping store. When it comes to dropshipping, TikTok can be a really great traffic source to help your audience learn about your products and drive them to your actual store. Unfortunately, most of these people are not going to convert into buyers the first time they visit your store. So I want to show you how you can get these same people back to your store to actually make a purchase utilizing this super dope TikTok ad retargeting strategy. Okay, so now I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can utilize this strategy and set up your campaign. Okay, now the first thing that you're going to want to make sure that you have installed is your TikTok pixel. You need it to utilize this campaign. If you don't have it installed, it's very easy to install. You're going to want to go to events, right? And then go to website events and then follow the prompts. Now I do have a full video that walks you through step by step how to, install your pixel, how to set up campaigns, stuff like that. It's a very introductory to TikTok ads video. I'll link that in the description down below. So if you need to watch that first, you can go ahead and watch that. But if you already have your TikTok installed, you are ready to move on to the next step, which is building your audience. Okay, so you're going to select audience, and you're going to want to create an audience. Now, as you can see here, I've already pre-built it, but I'm going to show you how to build it for yourself. You're going to do custom audience here. You're going to go to website traffic, right? And then you're going to see this drop down, and they're going to give you page view, add to cart, initiated checkout, and it's going to give you, some times, right? So you can do up to 180 days, you can do 60 days, 90 days. And all this is that your pixel will start to collect data on who visited your site. So it will track up to 180 days. So pretty much 6 months, they'll collect all the people that went to your website and put them in this pool so you can retarget them, okay? Now, if you don't have a lot of people that have come to your website in the last 6 months, right, then 180 days is a good place to start. Right now, the further they are to that, 180 day mark, the less warm they will be. So, the warmer your audience is, which is the 30-day audience, you might want to test that if you have a lot of people that come to your store every single month. So if you have thousands of people that come to your store every single month, then maybe just doing a 30-day page view campaign might be good, right? You might see better results. But if you don't have a lot of people that come to your store every single month, then, back it up, to 180 days. But since this is just a tutorial, I'm just going to do 180 days. And I would recommend combining the people that added the cart too. So you can layer this audience with add to cart, right? You can create a 180-day add to cart audience. You can do initiated checkout audience. You can do someone that, submitted for your email list that put in that form. So you can layer all these audiences together, right? To help build a bigger seed audience for you to go after, okay? Now, since I've already did the 180-day audience, I'm not going to remake it. But typically it'll show you your size. This is a test account, so it's not going to give me my size, but I would recommend having at least 1,000 people to go after. You really don't want to go lower than 1,000 people, especially right now. A good audience, quote unquote, I would say is about 10,000 and up. But again, it really just depends on your actual product that you're selling with your drop shipping. But I would say a good audience, seed audience, is about 10,000. And then it'll tell you, how long it'll take to calculate. Normally it takes up to about 24 hours for that audience to start to populate for you to run ads with. Okay, so if you don't see them right away, don't be alarmed. Okay, so once you create your audiences, what you're going to want to do is go to campaign, and I'm going to show you how to, walk through the campaign. So what you're going to want to do is select create campaign. And then what you're going to want to do is select website conversions, because we want conversions. We want sales, right? And then you can name your campaign retargeting campaign. You can run a CBO, once you get more audiences, that's a little bit more advanced testing. But as of right now, I won't get into that at this current moment. But if you want me to discuss CBO campaigns when it comes to TikTok, just let me know. Just comment down below. All right. And then what you're going to want to do is name your ad group. So this is just page view. Oh, if I can spell. Page view, 180 day audience. You're going to select your optimization because, again, this is a test account. Normally, it'll say conversion or purchases. That's what you're going to want to go after. And then what you're going to want to do is select placement. And you only want TikTok. All this other stuff is like, I don't even know, Pangle and news. You don't want that. You want straight TikTok. Okay. And then what you're going to want to do down here, well, sorry, let me not move too quickly. You're going to want to select these. You don't want all because you don't want kids. Okay. Now, if you do have a male product that only goes after men, or if you have a product that only goes after females, then you would want to put that. And then with your location, depending on where, majority of your audience is from. I'm based in the United States. So pretty much everybody that goes to my store is from the United States. And then what you're going to want to do here is select that custom audience that you built. Now, since my audience doesn't have any data in it yet, it's not popping up or populating. But once you create your audience and it populates, it'll show up right here. Now, a good thing that you want to put is you want to upload your custom audience of everyone that's purchased from your website. Okay. And you can do this with a, they call it a CSV file, which is just your email list of your customers. You want to make sure that you put this in so you're not retargeting people that have already purchased from you, okay? That is a big waste of ad spend, and I don't see people talking about that a lot, but you definitely want to put in that so you don't waste money. Like I said, retargeting people that have already bought for you. So all you need is like your customer file, and you can go back to that same place in audiences and put that customer file in there so you can exclude them from your marketing, okay? A lot of people waste money that way. Everything else here you can pretty much remove. Like you can remove all this. Like you don't need anything in here, right? You're gonna make sure that you're not targeting any of these people. Then you just want to put in your daily budget. And then lowest cost. Okay, so let's talk about the ad itself, because honestly, like your creative is one of the most important factors when it comes to, TikTok ads. And so you want to make sure that this creative is 15 seconds or less. That is really the sweet spot when it comes to TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, it doesn't really matter. Like 15 seconds or less is really going to be that sweet spot for you. If you have to make it longer, so be it. But really try to stay to 15 seconds as much as possible. And then within the first 3 seconds, you want to have some type of wow factor, okay? How can you differentiate this product from other products? And how can you differentiate this creative from other videos that you've made about this product previously, okay? So the first 3 seconds is crucial, okay? And then the last thing you want to make sure is that you have some type of limited time offer, whether that's a BOGO or 20% off or buy one, get one 50% off. It needs to have some type of, FOMO associated with the offer and the creative to get these people back to your, drop shipping store for them to buy. Now, this is just one strategy that you can utilize to help you get some really, really good results. But when you combine this strategy with the strategies that I talk about in this video right here, it is literally next level. So check it out.